I bet you didn't know that user-generated content, UGC, is revolutionizing modern marketing. In today's digital age, consumers crave authenticity. They are no longer satisfied with the traditional, overly polished advertisements that once dominated the marketing landscape. Instead, they seek genuine connections and real stories that resonate with their own experiences. They are tired of overly polished, corporate-sounding messages. These messages often feel disconnected from the reality of everyday life, making it hard for consumers to trust them. Enter user-generated content, a breath of fresh air in the marketing world. UGC is not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how brands communicate with their audiences. UGC is content created by everyday people, sharing their genuine experiences and opinions about products and services. This type of content is raw, unfiltered, and incredibly powerful. This content, often in the form of reviews, testimonials, or social media posts, resonates deeply with consumers. It provides a level of authenticity that traditional advertising simply cannot match. Why? Because it feels real, relatable, and trustworthy. When consumers see real people sharing their honest opinions, they are more likely to believe and engage with the content. UGC's power lies in its ability to build trust and drive purchasing decisions. It creates a sense of community and belonging among consumers, making them feel part of a larger conversation. Consumers are more likely to believe the word of a fellow customer than a brand's self-promotion. This peer-to-peer influence is incredibly effective in shaping purchasing decisions. This shift in consumer behavior has sparked a revolution, pushing UGC to the forefront of marketing strategies. Brands are now leveraging this content to create more engaging and authentic campaigns. Brands are realizing that harnessing the power of authentic voices is no longer optional, it's essential for success. By embracing UGC, brands can build stronger connections with their audiences and drive long-term loyalty. With the rise of UGC comes a new breed of entrepreneurs, UGC creators. These creators are not just hobbyists. They are savvy business people who understand the power of digital media and personal branding. These individuals have tapped into the power of their own voices and creativity to build businesses around creating engaging content for brands. They are constantly innovating, finding new ways to capture attention and tell compelling stories. The demand for UGC is skyrocketing, and with it, the number of creators entering this exciting field. Brands are increasingly looking for authentic voices to represent them, and UGC creators are stepping up to the challenge. More and more individuals are recognizing the potential to turn their passion for content creation into a viable income stream. They are leveraging social media platforms to reach wider audiences and monetize their content. The UGC creator landscape is as diverse as the content itself. Creators come from all walks of life, bringing their unique perspectives and experiences to the table. From skilled photographers and videographers who capture stunning visuals, to charismatic storytellers and product reviewers who engage their audiences with relatable content, there's a place for everyone with a unique perspective and a knack for connecting with audiences. The community of UGC creators is supportive and collaborative, often working together to amplify their reach. The beauty of UGC creation lies in its accessibility. Anyone with a smartphone and a story to tell can potentially become a successful UGC creator. This democratization of content creation has opened up opportunities for countless individuals to share their voices and make an impact. The financial potential of UGC creation is undeniable. In today's digital age, user-generated content has become a cornerstone of marketing strategies for brands across the globe. This shift has opened up a plethora of opportunities for content creators to monetize their skills and creativity. Brands are willing to pay a premium for high-quality content that resonates with their target audience. They understand that authentic, relatable content can drive engagement and build trust more effectively than traditional advertising methods. The average cost for a piece of UGC can range from $200 to $350, depending on factors like the creator's experience, the complexity of the content, and the platform where it will be used. This pricing structure allows creators to earn a substantial income by producing content that aligns with their passions and expertise. This means that even creators with a modest following can generate significant income by partnering with brands. Micro-influencers in particular are highly sought after for their niche audiences and high engagement rates. but the money-making potential of UGC extends far beyond brand collaborations. Creators are finding innovative ways to leverage their content creation skills to build sustainable businesses. Savvy creators are leveraging their UGC skills to build multifaceted businesses, diversifying their income streams through affiliate marketing, digital product sales, and even physical merchandise. By tapping into multiple revenue streams, they can create a more stable and lucrative career. The key is to build a strong personal brand, cultivate a loyal following, and explore various avenues for monetization. By consistently delivering value and engaging with their audience, creators can unlock the full potential of UGC and achieve long-term success. Brand collaborations are at the heart of the UGC ecosystem. For creators, they offer an opportunity to get paid for their creativity, gain exposure to new audiences, and build relationships with established brands. For businesses, partnering with UGC creators provides access to a vast pool of authentic content that can be used across multiple marketing channels. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The process of collaborating with brands is becoming increasingly streamlined, with platforms dedicated to connecting creators with relevant opportunities. From sponsored posts on social media to dedicated product reviews on e-commerce sites, the possibilities for brand collaborations are endless. The key is for creators to identify brands that align with their values, aesthetic, and target audience. While brand collaborations are a lucrative income stream, savvy UGC creators understand the importance of diversification. By building multiple revenue streams, creators can create a more sustainable and scalable business. One popular avenue is affiliate marketing, where creators earn a commission for promoting products they love and use. Another option is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, or presets that share their expertise and help other aspiring creators. Some creators even venture into creating and selling physical products, leveraging their personal brand and audience to launch merchandise lines. The key is to identify opportunities that align with your skills, interests, and audience's needs. UGC creation is closely intertwined with the broader influencer marketing landscape. Understanding the current trends in this space can be incredibly valuable for UGC creators. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok continue to dominate the influencer marketing scene, offering immense reach and engagement opportunities. Niche down and become an expert in a specific area to stand out in this crowded landscape. Whether it's fashion, beauty, travel, or any other passion point, focusing on a niche allows you to connect with a highly engaged audience actively seeking your content. Stay ahead of the curve by experimenting with new features and adapting to the ever-evolving algorithms of these platforms. Tips for aspiring UGC creators. If you're drawn to the creative freedom, earning potential, and community-driven nature of UGC creation, there's no better time to dive in. Start by building a strong portfolio that showcases your unique style and skills. Create high-quality content that aligns with your interests and resonates with your target audience. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and connect with brands. Use social media to your advantage, showcasing your work and engaging with brands in your niche. Networking with other creators can open doors to collaborations and provide valuable support and insights. Most importantly, stay true to yourself. Authenticity is your superpower in the world of UGC creation. The world of UGC is brimming with opportunities for both creators and brands. For aspiring creators, it's time to embrace your creativity, share your unique perspective, and build a business around your passion. The demand for authentic content is only growing, and there's a place for you at the table. For brands, it's time to recognize the power of UGC and integrate it into your marketing strategies. Embrace the voices of your customers, build trust through authentic storytelling, and watch your brand loyalty soar. The future of marketing is here, and it's driven by the power of real people sharing real stories. As we move further into the digital age, the craving for authenticity will only intensify. Consumers are seeking genuine connections, relatable experiences, and trustworthy recommendations. UGC sits at the heart of this desire, bridging the gap between brands and consumers in a way that traditional marketing simply cannot replicate. The future of marketing is human, and it's powered by UGC. It's about fostering a sense of community, building trust through transparency, and celebrating the power of everyday voices. Let's embrace this new era of authentic connection and create a marketing landscape that is both impactful and meaningful. Start creating your own UGC today and connect with brands in a way that truly resonates. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to stay updated.